Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to give away this dashcam as promised, the Navitel R600. I must thank you everybody for entering the competition. Now let's pick the winner. First let me copy the link of the video, and here you're gonna pick a random comment. So we have 20 entries, and this is it guys. Wish you good luck. And there you have it guys. Congratulations to the winner, the Eftimis Vatidis. Hope you enjoyed this dash cam. To make sure this is legit, if you want, please put it online, share it on the social media, tag me when you got the product, or take a picture, something like that. I must thank you everyone to enter the competition. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll make more giveaways in the future, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much guys. Hope I can see you all in the next video.